Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make honey garlic chicken breast. Oh my goodness, it is amazingly delicious. Easy, quick, simple dish that you can make on a weeknight or you can make for a Sunday dinner. It doesn't matter. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, so we are back. Let's go over our ingredients. They will all be down in the description so that you can make it in your kitchen too. First up, the star of the dish. Chicken. Now I am using chicken breast today, but by all means you can use pretty much any protein you want. You can use chicken thighs. Let's make sure they're boneless and skinless. You can use shrimp, beef, lamb. You can even use tofu. You can use anything that you want. This is an amazing recipe for any protein. You're going to need a little flour, honey of course, because it's what? Garlic honey. Garlic, I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. You're going to need some butter, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce. That's about it. Salt and pepper, maybe another ingredient too. I have some flour here for dusting our breast. So let's go ahead and get into the video and get this made. All right, so the first thing I am going to do is get this garlic chopped. And I'm using this chopper. This is the first time I've used it, so we're going to see how it works. So far, so good. Keeps your hands from being all sticky, I know that much. And it seems quick and easy. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, I'm going to bring you up close so that you can see how I'm going to cut my chicken breasts, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so since our chicken breasts are pretty thick, we're just going to slice them across this way. Please be careful if you are slicing your chicken breast this way, but you just want to put it there and slice it right across it, creating 2 pieces. Make sure you don't catch your hand in there. So we have our 2 pieces here, and we'll do the same thing with this one. This just helps them cook a little bit faster. You can leave them whole if you prefer it that way. So now we have another 2 pieces. We are going to dredge them in some flour just to coat them a little bit. This is going to help sear it, and it's going to help the sauce adhere to it in the end. Shake off any excess. We're not trying to batter it. We just want it to be lightly floured. Just dust it. Set that aside. From here, guys, we're going to head on over to the stove so that we can go ahead and get our honey garlic chicken breasts made. Okay, make sure your skillet is on hot. You want to put about 3 tablespoons of butter in there, along with a little olive oil, just to make sure that butter does not burn. Spread it around. Once that butter melts, you want to go ahead and put in your chicken breasts and let them get seared off. Want to cook them about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side. We'll let them sear on that side for a couple of minutes, and then we'll flip them over and we'll be back. Now we're going to turn them over and sear the other side. Now that we've removed them from the skillet, we're going to go in with another tablespoon of butter. Add your garlic on in there. want to cook that for just maybe about a minute. Turn your skillet down quite a bit, almost all the way down. Once that's brown, go ahead, add in your vinegar, your soy sauce, and your honey. Stir it to combine and go ahead and add the chicken back in. Stir it around a little bit so it can become well coated. This smells amazing. Make sure your skillet is on low. And let it thicken. Go ahead, turn them over again. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that glaze. Delicious, delicious, delicious. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming in. Oh my goodness. If you guys could just smell this, it is absolutely amazing. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share it out. Tell everybody you know that here at Cooking at Pam's Place, I'm showing you how to cook easy, everyday meals that you can cook in your kitchen too. Oh my goodness. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Let me bring you guys up close so you can see this. Go in with a little garnish in there. This is absolutely amazing, and it smells so delicious. Yes, I will see you guys next time. The good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise.